Sinom rolling stand. The model of 550 adopts bilateral axial positioning, and the stability is better. Mechanical pulling rod and bearing seal adopt multi-layer coating sealing device with obvious effect of water prevention and dust prevention, also anticorrosion. Good performance and low failure rate. The lubrication methods can drop dry oil, oil gas, and combination of dry oil and oil gas according to the user's different demands. The stands manufactured by Sinom are with features of tight structure and light in weight, and the stand is convenient and efficient to replace roller and rolling stand. If you are interested in our products, you can contact us.